Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech. In today's video we can see we got here the UGREEN universal travel adapter. So this one, I just got it from their official shop. And the reason why I got this because it's really good for traveling when I just need one plug and that's it. That's all I need. I don't need to bring any other adapters, any other chargers, because this one can do it all. And it supports a majority of the countries. You can see for worldwide travel, we can use in China, US, UK, in EU as well, which is using the also the GAN, which is fantastic, less heat. We also have a lot of ports on this device. I'll show you guys later for charging all your devices. You can see we have one outlet, 2x USB-C, and then one USB-A. So this is why it's just bring one adapter and you're good to go. And the rated was up to 65 watts. So let's take a quick look at the behind. These are the specifications. You can pause the video here if you want to see more details, but yeah, here you go. And then this side is just a overview of all the plug types you can expect. We should work in majority of countries. So yeah, let's get this thing open and take a quick look at it hands on. So I think we just let me just open the top. Where is seal? Let me just cut the seals first right here, and then there should be one down here as well. Yep. Okay. So here is the packaging. Adapter is here. Let me remove it. So besides the adapter, we got the user manual, and I think yeah, that's about it. Just the user manual, and this is the adapter itself. So let me show it to you guys. It's a bit on the heavy side, but it's expected because yeah, it's an all-in-one basically. So you can just bring this for traveling and you're good to go. You don't have to bring other chargers if you're ready. Yeah. So wow, look at that. So yeah, UGREEN. So you can see universal. And this side we have the ports. We have the Type A port, two Type C's, and then over here is where all the plugs. You can see there's a lot of types. So there is a toggle right at the side here. There's three. We have USA, UK, EU, and we have China. So if you want to use China, you just flip it. There we go. That is China. I think China has a few types. This is type 1. There's another type China uses as well. I think it's the US one. So then you can just press it down and then close it back. So that's how you close it. USA, this one you can just press it down and then let go. This is US plug. And for UK one is, yeah, this one is the one I'm using in my country, Malaysia. So we are using the UK one, which is nice. And then we have EU's one is like this. So yeah, very handy and all in one single adapter. And it's on the little bit on the heavy side, but that's expected because it is also adapter to charge your devices. So you have 3 ports down here. You just need to bring 3 cables and that's it. You can use this to charge all your devices one shot. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for me. It's a quick little overview and also unboxing of the UGREEN universal travel adapter. What do you guys think? I think it's a really handy device for travelers. If you're traveling a lot and you carry a lot of devices and you go to many countries, this is a very nice adapter to get from UGREEN. So if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description. If you can use that link to buy this product. It is an affiliate link, so if you do buy it, I do get some kickback commission. Yeah, that would be very helpful for the channel. But thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Peace.